Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're gonna get the window to fix. Maybe, since last time it didn't work. We changed the window regulator last week. You can check it out here, but this week we're gonna change the switch because that's the only other option, right? All right, let's get to it. Okay, here we are again. We're gonna take out these 3 screws, these 2 screws, and then pop it off. All right, if you have clips, you know, pop them off, but my door is pretty much clipless. So, pull up. Got the 2, oh, this one's so much harder than the bottom one. Okay, let's do the bottom first then. Pull it out and up. Oh, got it. Out and out. Undo these clips here, or the plugs. And now we're gonna take out the switch. All right, there's 3 screws. Okay, it just comes right out. That was probably the easiest thing I've ever done. Okay. All right, just making sure they're the same. All the buttons and everything seem to be the same. Make sure the pins are the same. Yep, all right. Let's just reinstall. I can't believe this is this easy. Although I'm saying that and something's gonna happen. All right, now I'll put the door back on. Although I will say none of these pins are bent or anything like that. So I'm just hoping and praying that it is this. All right, plug it back in. All right, we're gonna learn from last time. Go straight up. Maybe. There we go. Look how easy that was. Although where the plastic can go, oh muck. All right. All right. Me and my 1 clip. Before we put the screws on, we're going to test to make sure it works since we didn't troubleshoot anything before buying the parts again. Moment of truth. Oh, it works. That doesn't sound great. What about this other one? No, it still doesn't work, but that's okay because we're going to get a new door. I don't like how the window went up, so let's lube it. Hopefully that helps. Let's see if it works, hopefully. Oh, that's a little bit better. Get the lube all the way in there. Now for the lube, you can use any silicone-based spray lubes. We used a garage lube, so, you know, whatever. All right, let's put the screws back in and we're all set to go. All right, well that was super fast and I'm super proud of myself for not messing anything up, but maybe next time troubleshoot your parts, learn from my husband's mistakes because I obviously have no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, I hope to see you guys next week. Make sure you like and subscribe.